Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a music artist website. In fact, I will be showing you two different platforms you can use for completely free to make your music artist website, on which you'll be able to sell digital products and also upload your blog or so on. The first platform that I'll be showing you is Payhip. And with Payhip, you can get started for completely free and you'll be able to use this platform free forever. So not only will you be able to sell products on it for completely free, but you can also interact with your customers. As you can see right here, their package goes for free forever, so you'll pay no money, but they will charge a small transaction fee of 5% for each sale that you make. Or you can go onto their paid plan, as you can see right here. Now to get started, all you'll need to do is go onto payhip.com. Once on payhip.com, you'll simply enter your email address, then tap on get started. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is enter the name of your website. So let's say, for example, test music. Then you'll tap on continue, and from there you will enter your username. Then you'll tap on get started selling, and you can also see my URL right here. Later on in the tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit the URL if you want. So at the moment, this is how your dashboard looks, as you can see right here. Now to add your first product, you could tap on add first product. Then from there, you're going to tap on add a product. After you have tapped on add a product, since we'll be creating a music website, it will be a digital product. So we're going to tap on digital product right here. After selecting digital product, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on upload product file. And this is where you're going to add the song or songs that you would like to sell. So for example, I will be adding a few audio recording that I have. So I'll simply open Audacity right here. After doing that, let me select this song right here, or better yet this audio file. And you can see it is uploading right there. Once it has been uploaded, as you can see here, all you'll need to do if you want to upload more, you could tap on upload another product file. And then from there, you can add your product title. So I'll name this test. Then from there, you can choose the price that you would like to sell it for. So let's say, for example, $8. Then you're also going to add a cover photo. So this cover photo will basically be like an album art. So you could tap on upload a product image. Then from there, you can go into your files and you can search for a product image. If you don't have one at the moment, you could go onto canva.com and you can create a stunning product image for completely free. But for this tutorial, I'll be using a random thumbnail. So I'll be using this thumbnail for example's sake. Then for there, I'll simply scroll down and you can add in your description right there. After you have added in your description, you can also tap on the advanced options. And if it is a case that you want to select a tax exempt or any one of these options right here, you can do that. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on add product at the bottom of the page. After you have tapped on add product, you could tap on show me my product page. And you can see it right here. So you'll see the album art, the name of the song, the price that you have selected, and once you have activated PayPal or Stripe, you will see the buy now button right here. So once your customers tap on that, they'll be able to follow through with their purchase. So you can see it right here, and this will be the link to your product page. Now, all we'll need to do, we're going to go back right here, and we're going to tap on dashboard once more from the top menu option. After you have selected dashboard from here, you could scroll down and tap on setup checkout. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on setup checkout once more. And now you will be able to link your PayPal and Stripe account. So you're going to tap on link PayPal account, and you're also going to select accept Stripe payments. And with this, you'll be able to offer your potential customers more payment options. And in turn, this will help to increase your conversion. So you'll definitely get a sale. Once they like your song, you'll definitely get a sale. And you can also select the default currency for your store, whether that be USD or whichever currency you want to use. And you can also select billing and invoice right here from the top menu option. And at the moment, you can see we are currently on the free plan. If you would like to upgrade and go onto another plan, you can do that. And if you would like to also set up your taxes using this platform, you can tap right there, and you could add a store address and so on, and the tax rate and so on. But I wouldn't recommend doing that at the moment, as we're just getting started. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing, let's tap on dashboard once more from the top menu option. We're going to be customizing our store. So you're going to select customize store design, then tap on customize design. After you have selected customize design, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you can now change how your store looks. So at the moment, this is how it looks, as you can see right here. So we have our product image. If you would like to make any changes, for example, to the About Me section, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on About Me. Once you have tapped on About Me, from there you'll be able to change the image by simply tapping on Replace. You can also scroll down and edit the text right there. And if you like to add a background color or so on, you could tap on Background and you'll be able to do that. Once you're finished, you can tap on Back in the top left-hand corner. If you would like to edit the header section, you could tap on Header. And then from there, you can edit the store logo, or if you would like to add an announcement bar, you could tap right there on announcement bar, then tap on show announcement bar. And you can see it right here. You could type in whatever message you want. Once you're finished doing all of that, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish, and your store will now be live. The other platform that I'll be showing you how to use to create a music artist website for free is Wix. So you're going to go onto wix.com, and from there you'll be able to sign up using your email address. The only pullback with Wix compared to Payhip is you won't be able to accept payments on Wix.com without going onto their paid plan. So you'll be able to customize your website, upload products and so on, but you won't be able to accept payments on the paid plan. So that is the case when it comes onto Wix compared to Payhip. So once on Wix.com, if that is okay with you, you're going to tap on create new site. After you have selected create new site, you are going to be redirected to a new page, and we are going to tap on set up without AI. After selecting setup without AI, from here I want you to simply type in music, then you'll select music artists, and you're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you're going to enter your website name. So let's enter my website name real quick. Then tap on next once more. Once you have tapped on next, from here you will see the different plugins that will be added to your website. So since we'll be selling music, we'll add the music plugin, and you can also see the Bands in Town plugin right there, on which you'll be able to list all your upcoming live events. Then you can scroll down if you plan on selling any coaching product or so on. You could select online products. You can also select bookings if you would like to allow customers to book you. You can also select events if you want. Then from there, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. After selecting next, we're going to tap on begin with a template. And keep in mind that selecting begin with a template will redirect you to this page on which you'll be able to choose a theme that will help your website to look like it was created by a professional. And I normally recommend that you use one of the top two themes right here. So let's say, for example, this one. I'll tap on edit. Then all you'll need to do is give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website in the background. Once this is finished, I'll be showing you what to do next. Here you could choose to enter some content right here. So the AI that is made by Wix would upload content onto your website, but for this tutorial we won't be doing that. So you'll tap on the X right there. After you have tapped on the X, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see plus 50%. After you have done that, you can see the website right here. So this is how your website looks at the moment. Now to start editing your website, you can hover over any section that you would like to change. So let's say, for example, we want to change the image right here. You can tap on quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you will see a pop-up window open on the right hand column. From here, you can change the title as you can see right there. And you can also, you could do something similar to this. So you could add the title, better yet when your website, better yet when your album will be coming out. You could add your album name right there. Then from there, you could also edit the social bar by adding your Facebook and Instagram link. You can also edit the title and you could edit the button if you want. All you have to do is tap on the section and from there you can type in whatever you want. And then to change the image, you could tap on change right here. After you have tapped on change, you could select image and you could upload your own image. Once you're finished doing all of that, you'll tap on the X and from there you can scroll down and you can continue making changes. So for example, to change this music video to one of your own, you'll simply hover over it, tap on quick edit once more. After selecting quick edit, from here you can simply go over to the left hand menu option and from there you could change the background image. You can also change the video by tapping right where you see settings right here. You could tap right there. Then you can add your own Vimeo, or YouTube link right here. And you can choose whether you would like it to autoplay. Once someone goes onto the page, you could toggle that on. Once you're finished, you'll go back. So after going back, you can continue making changes, and to access all of the pages that are currently on your website, you will go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see home. You will tap on the drop down menu. Then from there, you can see all of the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, this is the music page at the moment. And again, you can scroll down. This is how it looks and you can make the changes on the right hand column. And by the way, if you would like to add anything to any one of the pages, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. From there, you can add text, image, button, video, music, anything you want. You can find it right here. And all you have to do is simply tap and drag and place it where you'd like to place it on the website. Now, if you would like to add your music to the website, which more than likely you will, first you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on save and continue. Once you have saved the changes, all you will need to do now, so you can see it is being saved, I'll simply tap on done. So once you have saved the changes, you're going to simply go over to the top left hand corner. And from here, I want you to tap on site. So you're going to hover over site. Then you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to tap on my dashboard right here. So let's do that real quick. Once on my dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select music library. After selecting music library, you will now be able to add your songs or album. So you could tap on create album. After you have selected create album, from here you can add your album name, your artist name, and you can also add album description. You can upload your album cover right here. After you have uploaded your album cover, you can scroll down, add the price for your album also right there. And you can also link to other music platforms by simply toggling this on. Then from there, you can add your Spotify link. And if you would like to add another link, for example, iTunes, you can tap on add link. And from there, you can add iTunes or Google Play or Apple Music or so on. There are numerous platforms that you can easily connect with when using Wix. So we'll toggle this off. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you would simply tap on next, and from there you'll be able to add tracks. And if you would like to add more tracks, you could simply tap on save and add tracks, and from there you'll be able to add more tracks. But for now, we'll tap on cancel. So I'll tap on cancel, yes. Then you can also add singles. You can create a playlist if you want. And if you would like to add music videos, you could tap on video library from the left hand menu option. And from there, you'll be able to add your different music videos, your live streams, and so on, as you can see right here. It is quite easy to use Wix. Now go over to the left hand menu option once more, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up your payment options. So you're going to hover over billing and payments, then tap on payments, and from here, depending on the country you had selected when setting up your Wix website, you will see different payment options. So you're going to tap on manage payment options, and you can see I now have TiloPay and PayPal available right there that I can connect. But if I were to tap on change right here, and let's say for example I were to change my website country to United States, so let me do that real quick. If I were to type in United States right here, select United States and choose, you will realize that I now have numerous payment options that I didn't have before. So for example, I now have the Wix payment option, and by scrolling down, I can tap on see more option right there. I now can offer Afterpay, AAA, and numerous other options, as you can see right there. So all you'll need to do is simply change the country of your website, and you can offer more payment options. But as I said earlier, to start accept payments online, you will need to go onto the Wix paid plan. And with Wix, if I were to tap on upgrade now, we can see their different price plans. So let's have a look at it. It starts off at $17 per month, and it goes up to $35 per month. And with this, you'll be given a free domain name for 1 year, and you'll also be given their free hosting package and numerous other features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.